Hi guys, this is the tutorial for lines 5 and 6 for flute. So we have here our new note. Let's review our hands. E, G, B, D, F. This one is on the 4th line. This is D. So now if you're looking at the fingering chart, you'll notice that there is no pinky. Okay, this is a fun note. So when we were playing E flat, we were every single finger plus pinky minus 1. Now here's the cool part. D is just E flat minus the pinky. So you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our 2 fingers are sticking up. Now, again, I'm exaggerating so you can see it better. When we play, we keep everything super close to the flute so that we don't fly away. Right now, I'm showing you really big and obvious. But when I play for real, I keep my fingers curled and right above the flute so that it's really, really super close. So let's try playing this. Let's find our sweet spot. Set your fingers, -1, minus pinky, but all the rest. I like that one. Let's try it again. All right, now I'm going to set the metronome. Remember, these are 4-beat notes. Get your fingers set. 1 and 2 and set and. All right, so that is number 5. Now let's look at number 6. Number 6. Remember, the first step is always to clap and count it. So looking at number 6, we have something special here. We have our quarter notes, and they're all on the D line right here. So we're using our 2. And then we have one extra note right here. Oh, wait, but what is it? Is it a D? Yes, it is a D, because it is on that line. Then we have 3 beats of rest. Now look at the next measure. Still on the D. And then we change our fingers to our E flat. And we have 2 of these in a row. So we have E flat, and then our last note is F. So step 1, and every single time I'm going to say this, step 1 to learning a new piece of music is to clap and count. So each one is a quarter note. Each one gets 1 sound, 1 beat. 1 and 2 and clap and count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we show and tell. You show me your fingers and you tell me the note names. So we have a D, we have an E flat, and we have F. So let's go through those again. D, E flat, you just add that pinky. F, drop, and float. Okay, so let's show and tell. And I'm going to make it go even slower to give you some more think time. Okay, 1 and 2 and ready, breathe. D, 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 rest, rest. D, D, E flat, F. Okay, now that's going to be too slow for me to play it. I'm going to run out of air because remember, I don't breathe until I get to that rest. All of my 2s are done all together. I'm not going to go. I'm not going to breathe on the bar line. I'm not going to breathe where the measure changes. I'm going to go all the way to the rest. So we're going to speed this up just a tiny bit. Show and tell, just to get your fingers set. Ready, go. D, 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 D. D, D, E flat, F. All right, let's try playing it. Find that sweet spot. And pause the video if you're having trouble finding that sweet spot. Pause, find it, and restart. I'll still be here. Okay. 1 and 2 and set and. All right, now that was okay. I feel like I was a little airy, so I'm going to close my hole down. I'm going to really focus on making a small opening and blowing fast, cold air. 1 and 2 and set and. Oh, I messed up. I'm going to start again. 1 and 2 and ready. So right there, did I hit the F? I put down the right fingers, but I went low instead of going high. What that means is my air stream was pointed too low instead of being pointed up. So I'm going to do it again. 1 and 2 and ready. And I'm happy with that one. When you are practicing, go through and do it as many times as you need to until you're happy with it, until each note sounds good together and you can play everything correct. All right, guys, have fun.